Hi, my name is Vivek Padiyar. I head the technology practice at Perfect Relations. Perfect Relations is one of India's largest PR agencies. We are in the business of image management and consultancy. For our business, our clients are spread across India, and our clients require us to be spread across different regions to service them better. We have more than 14 offices. These are spread across the country. With clients also being spread across these centers, we have more than 200 clients which is spread across these 14 offices. A huge resource base, about 400 staff helping serve the communication needs of these particular clients. So with that, obviously the age-old method of sending faxes, using telephones, does not work, because in this medium, in the current way that we work, it's important for us to work faster and connect better. With that, obviously the internet is a medium like no other. It brings about connectivity, it brings you access over email. With new age mediums like WebEx and teleconferencing tools that we are using now, it's easier for us to connect and even see our colleagues across different offices. What we've been able to use the internet very effectively for is to make sure that presentations go through faster. Also, we do a lot of documentation for clients across, whether they are plans or review kind of documents. So those need to go faster, and currently what the way we work is different offices and different colleagues across different regions are working on these kind of activities and projects. So with the need to connect faster, better, and to deliver faster to clients, the internet obviously is the medium for us to go.
Hi, I'm Komal. I'm working as a systems manager in Perfect Relations. Okay, when I joined the Perfect Relation, my first task was, because they were facing lots of internet problem, like my first task was to solve that problem. Now since they had a lots of broadband connectivity and all that, and we were facing a major problem. So when I contacted Direct Internet and we got the connection from them, like the lease connection, all our problems, like major problems were sorted out. And it was the first task which was successfully completed.
With the current scenario that we are in, there's a need to connect faster, and obviously we've gone to adopt the technology of multiple leased lines. Or probably over a period of time we might go in for video conferencing and other kind of solutions. So that's what we're looking at, and that is how the internet is really adding value to our business. So with our office network, with the strength of the resources that we have and the kind of data which gets generated, leased lines are something of a lifesaver in this situation of sorts.
So we started with the Direct Internet on multiple locations. Like first we started with Bombay, then we started with Delhi. So that way we have connected major centers through Direct Internet. One thing which I want to talk about, like Direct Internet, is the after sales support and even the service. Like mainly what you look for, like in case if there's some problem, the net goes down, you look for the support. And this is what we like about Direct Internet, that they always inform in advance, like there's going to be some problem or something like that. So that is one thing which I'll appreciate.
Direct Internet, which has been serving us with our requirements of multiple lease lines, has been a very credible partner in our success. We have engaged with them for quite some time now, and I think we've been very happy with the kind of service and support that they've provided. Obviously, in these days and times, a partner really is really one who provides you that kind of comfort, and I think Direct Internet has been able to provide us that comfort in terms of reaching out different offices and connecting different people that help us serve our clients better.